What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new NASDAQ weekly reports. Hope we all had a lovely weekend. Just before the market opens, let's quickly dive straight to our previous analysis and check what we had for the NASDAQ market before we do any further analysis for the upcoming days or weeks ahead. So, as usual, I'm going to bring up the chart and tap on the play button so that we can see what we had, the before and after effects of the NASDAQ market based on last week's analysis. And just in case you missed out, you can check it out on this video description to watch it again. So as you can see, I was expecting a sell continuation idea, and that's exactly what we had for the NASDAQ market. So kudos to all those that took the analysis seriously and put them on their trading account. I am so sure a lot of people would have made money with just this signal. You can see what looks like a possible bullish reversal. That's what we'll be talking about in this video. I'm going to make further analysis to tell you guys based on my perspective what I think of the NASDAQ market upcoming days. Yeah, so let's just dive straight into our drawing board, do plot few analysis and see what the market holds for us this coming week. Not to forget that also for the V75 market as well. We're going to be talking about the V75 too and the other parts of this video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, the market is trying to break the support and resistance mark at 12 that's 12,500 mark. Yes, so we just have to clearly wait for it to break and buy a little bit to 13k. Is that 13k? Yeah, exactly 13k before we can get further bearish continuation. But personally, I think it's gonna break and buy a little bit more straight up to 13k before we can expect the market to go bearish again. But as you can see, I'm going to put up a little arrow there too that shows there is a possible break upside. If it does break, we are going to go higher highs to around 13,500 mark. So let's be careful with our trades, but I think it's going to buy a little bit more to 13,000 mark before for the bearish continuation. That's personally what I think. You know, the market can break and keep buying up to 13,500 mark. But anyways, that's just what I think now for the upcoming days or weeks ahead for NASDAQ market. That's just what I think. If you can let me know what you also think in the comments section. Let's be interactive with these analyses. Yeah, that's all for NASDAQ, guys. Short buy and bearish continuation. But further, I'm going to give confirmations if any need on my Telegram group. So if you know you're a member, you want to go join via this video description, you're going to get the links to join the Telegram channel. So all that being said about NASDAQ, let's dive straight to V75 analysis. So now for the V75 analysis, it's pretty much just the same. Last week analysis was a buy and we didn't get a buy. We got just little buy corrections and bearish continuations way down to main support, but the market is still at support, overall support on the 1 day time frame. So I think I'm still in for the buy. Although stop loss hit last week's trying to get a buy, and there was short buys, more sales. So you know, if your account can't hold, it's gonna hit stop loss. But for this week, I still think it's a buy. I'm still in for a buy. I just need to wait for the perfect entry.